it is a great honor to me as a title sponsor of this Goa Professional League. And this time we are going to change some pattern of the professional league. And I'm happy that it is already delayed, but now we have taken decision to go ahead and start the league. So let's enjoy the football.
The entire JFA committee has taken a very strong stand on match fixing, and we want to curb this menace very stringent. We want to go on this very strictly. So within the next 1 week, we have written to All India Football Federation. All India Football Federation will be sending their integrity officer for a workshop. This workshop will be held within the next 1 week.
First time आमी प्रोफेशनल लीगेक विनर्स प्राइज म्हूण आमी 5 lakhs दितले आनी रनर्स अप म्हूण आमी 3 lakhs दितले.